What's up, everybody? Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. Come check out this 1969 Chevy Camaro with me. This thing is a nice car. It is powered by a 5.7 liter LS engine matched up with a 6-speed manual transmission. Nice wheel and tire package all the way around. Tires are fresh, power steering, power brakes, all your lights are working the way they should, and wipers, turn signals. Got a great stance, this car. Let me get a little bit more centered for y'all. Body is real clean. Houndstooth interior. Look at that sexy ass. That's a nice car. Just got done driving it. Goes through all the gears great, shifts well, brakes great, handles with no crazy noises, plenty of get up and go. It really scoots nicely. See how clean this thing is. It's all badged up Z28, even with the 302 on the hood. It's got a sleeper under there. Nice set of headers are on there. I'll show it all to you. Your whole front chrome bumper, badging, and front valance are all in good shape. All your lights are there, not cracked. It lines up the way it should with the right gap. I see it maybe up a little bit here, but that's just some adjustments that could be done. Your wipers and glass are good, and they're working. All the glass around the car is in good shape, as well as the weather stripping and stuff. Don't need to worry about any of that. Front fender, badged up Z28, good shape. No flaws that I could see, and it lines up the way it should. The right gaps. Door to quarter, good. No paint flaws. Quarter's in good shape. Rear chrome bumper, good. Lower valance is good. All your lights back here are working. Here are the keys in here, so let's take a look. These are blacked on painted stripes. Done right. Okay. All your weather stripping in the trunk. All your welds are good. Nice solid body car. Spare tires intact. Taking a bunch of pictures of the underneath as well. They'll be online with the description of the vehicle. There you go. Rear quarter, good shape. Roof line, good. No flaws that I could see. All your chrome, sport mirror, good shape. Glass is all good. Lines up well. Nice gaps. Fender to door. Here's a little bubble that I see right in there. But once I get off it, it's gone. But it's little. I see it. No surprises. Look how straight it is. Paint lays good. Interior looks fresh. 6x9s in the back. All your seat belts are intact. Doors are good. Look at that. Nice and clean down there. Take a look at the other side. Good shape all the way through, nice and clean. And you'll always find something to do on these. That's part of the hobby. having the fun with it. This one's in good shape all the way through. Dash pad is good. Your headliner's nice and tight. 6-speed manual transmission. All aftermarket gauges. Let me check on the miles on here. Hang on, we'll come back to this puppy. Let me grab the keys. Start at the same time. Okay. 95,752 miles. But this engine came out of a 2002 Camaro and it's been redone. It's a 5.7 liter aluminum radiator, left set of headers. Sounds good. So if you are looking to do a little financing with us and you have a good credit score of anywhere from a 640 to a 739, please go to our website, mgmclassiccars.com. That's mgmclassiccars.com. 10% down. Fill out the app where it says apply now. Go as far as 84 months. If you're a 740 and above, go to lightstream.com. That's lightstream.com. Fill out the application within 24 hours approval, sometimes no money down, up to 84 months financing, good rates. We've got over 100 vehicles in stock. All our descriptions, photos, video, pricing are online. We ship all over the United States, bonded and insured, open and enclosed. Please text me or call me with any questions you have on any of our vehicles or any quotes you need on shipping. That number is 773-600-0919. Again, my name is Earl. Text me or call me at 773-600-0919. We are located in Addison, Illinois, 20 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. We're open Monday through Friday from 9 to 5, Saturday from 10 to 2, by appointment only. You can text me or call me. I will get you in an appointment or get you in to see one of the cars at 773-600-0919. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook. It's a nice car, 1969 Camaro, powered by a 5.7 V8 6-speed manual. Let me know if I can answer any questions to get this thing home with you. Nice car. Thanks for spending time with us.